Hi, hello, my dear competitive aspirants. Welcome to VHL Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about type of supports in the part of shear force and bending moment. So now our discussion is about type of support. In the part of shear force and bending moment, different types of supports is there, right? That is so rolled support, pin or hinged support, and one more is fixed support. Majorly, the three types of supports is possible in the design of the beams. In this design of the beams, that is in the calculation of shear force and bending moment. So, three types of supports: roller support, pin or hinge support, and one more is fixed support. In these three supports, so what is the support reactions? In the roller support, how many number of reactions is develops, and in the pin or hinge support, so how many number of reactions is developed, and in the so fixed supports, how many reactions are developed due to the application of the external load on the beam. Right now, our discussion is about type of supports. Type of supports. Now our discussion is about type of supports. Right, so first one is a roller support. Roller support. Yes, roller support. Right. This is the support. Here, so roller is provided. Yes, so this is the support. For this roller support, how many number of reactions is developed for this roller support? Alright, so this is roller support. Vertical reaction is develops like this. This is vertical reaction. And horizontal reactions will not develops in the roller support. Reason, this roller is provided like this. That means due to the application of so horizontal force, due to the application of horizontal force, so this support is support is displace this place, displace this position. That means due to the horizontal force, so the place, the original place of this support is changes, right? It is rolled. It is rolled from one place to another place. Alright, so that's why for the roller support, only vertical reaction, only one reaction is developed, so that is vertical reaction. And for this roller support, if you consider one more roller support, alright, so one more roller support, this is the roller support. Yes, for this roller support, so the number of reaction is developed, that is only the vertical reaction. Only vertical reaction. For this roller support and this roller support, only one reaction is developed. This is vertical reaction. Vertical reaction. This is also vertical reaction. Alright, so two reactions. And for this support one reaction, this support is one reaction. That means for the roller support, the number of reactions developed for the roller support is only one reaction. Right, so for a roller support, only one reaction is developed. Only one reaction. Only one reaction is developed. Only one reaction is developed for the roller support. In the roller support, only one reaction is developed. Right, if you consider so one more support, if you consider one more support, alright, so that is the second one is yes, the second one is pin or hinged support. Pin or hinged. Pin or hinged support or pinned or hinged support. Yes, for pin or hinged support. Right. So this is the pin or hinged support. That means, so for this pin or hinged support, so here there is a chance of free rotate. There is a chance of free rotate. This is the pin or hinge support. For pin or hinge support, I draw the pin or hinge support. Here we provide the pin or hinge. This is the pin or hinged support. For this pin or hinged support, how many number of reactions develops? Vertical reaction. One is vertical reaction and one more is horizontal reaction. And there is no chance of there is no chance of movement. Reason, so it is free to rotate, right? It is free to rotate. That's why there is no chance of there is no chance of reactions. There is no chance of so rotation, that is movement is develops. Reactions develop. One is vertical reaction, one more is horizontal reactions. Right, so that's why one is the vertical reaction and one is horizontal reaction. Therefore, the number of reactions are 2. The number of reactions are 2 number of reaction. That is one vertical reaction, one is horizontal reaction. There is no chance of movement because it is free to rotate. In the pin or hinge support, the number of reactions is 2 number of reactions is developed for pin or hinge support. Right, so the third one is this is the pin or hinge support. Pin or hinge support, right? And the third one is right. So, and the third one is fixed support. Fixed support. Yes, so this is the figure. This is the fixed support. Right. So for this fixed support, the number of reactions develops. One is vertical reaction, one is a horizontal reaction, and one more is moment is develops. Right, so for the fixed support there is no chance of rotate. There is no chance of rotate. Fixed support. For the fixed support, the number of reactions is one is vertical reaction, one more is horizontal reaction, one more is moment. That is, so vertical, horizontal and moment, that is 3 number of reactions. 3 number of reactions. 3 number of reactions are developed. 3 number of reactions are developed. One is vertical reaction, one more is horizontal reaction, and one more is moment. For the fixed support, 3 number of reactions are developed. Alright, so 3 number of reactions are developed. Alright, now so we discussed about the reactions of roller support, pin or hinge support, and so fixed support. So what is the roller support? Roller support. And what is the pin or hinge support? Pin or hinge support. And the third one is what is the fixed support? What is the fixed support? Right, so 3 supports. A roller support, if a member is displaced, the displacement is occurs in a member, that is called as a roller support. For example, this is the actual position. So this position is changes due to the rolling. This process is called as the roller support. The displacement is occurs in a support is called as the roller support. What is the example of the roller support? The example of the roller support is old bridge. Old bridge support is a roller support. Next one is a pin or hinge support, right? Pin or hinge support. This is one member. So in this member develops vertical reaction, horizontal reaction, but there is no chance of movement. Reason it is free to rotate. That's why, so it is the pin or hinge support. The example of the pin or hinge support is old bridge. Old bridge. Right, so old bridge. And next one is fixed support. This is a member. Due to the application of the moment, so there is no displacement is occurs. There is no chance of rotating in a vertical direction. There is no chance of rotating in a horizontal direction. There is no chance of, so free to rotate. This is called as the fixed support. The example of the fixed support is, welded connection is the example of welded connections. Welded connections are the example of fixed support, right? So this is a roller support, a pin or hinge support, and fixed support. Here our discussion is how many number of reactions is develops in the roller support. That is only one reaction, that is vertical reaction. And the pin or hinge support, here two number of reactions is develops. One is a vertical reaction, one more is horizontal reaction, but there is no moment develops in pin or hinge support. That means only two number of reactions develops in a pin or hinge support. One more is a fixed support. In this fixed support, so vertical reaction is develops, horizontal reaction is develops, and a moment is develops. Alright, so in the fixed support, three number of reactions are develops.